Good morning, I'm Alberto Tosi. My company is Grafos. We are an Italian company located in the north of Italy. We are stainless steel keyboards producers. Here you can find a range of our products. We can start with our Click-Inox family. It's a family of products with a very thin metal layer with embossed keys. It's a patent of our company, and we are very proud to show you now these keyboards. It's something unique on the market, and they are almost indestructible and really reliable. Okay. Near we can find the Inox family. They are very typical of ATM, and we can provide you and show you now a backlit solution with completely customized buttons. We can produce them according to your drawings, so completely customized. And finally, our Click-Inox family of products. Here is a sample with long stroke buttons and very soft tactile feedback. So very useful for info points and for typing often, frequently. So come and see our website. It's www.grafossteel.it. Bye.